How to fix Spotify playing random songs. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various ways on how you can fix Spotify playing random songs. First things first, open the Spotify application on your device and then go ahead and play any song. Further, tap on the Now Playing bar from the bottom of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the shuffle icon you see there and make sure it turns gray, as if it is green then the shuffle is enabled. If the Smart Shuffle is enabled, then your Spotify will play random songs without you being able to guess what song is being played next. The next fix for this issue is you can tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option there. Further, tap on the playback option and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for autoplay similar content option you see there. And with this, Spotify will stop from adding extra songs to your playlist. Also, you can go ahead and clear your queue. So simply open the Now Playing tab again and then tap on the queue icon, that is the three lines you see there. Further, go ahead and simply swipe towards the left on your screen and remove the song that you do not want to listen and then restart playback after clearing. Also, make sure that you are playing a playlist and you're not playing a radio, as Spotify Radio always play random songs. Next, fix for this issue is tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen again and then tap on the settings and privacy option there. Further, tap on playback again and firstly go ahead and set the crossfade to 0 seconds and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for auto mix, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Spotify playing random songs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.